Hey guys, welcome back to my channel.
In today's video, I will show you how to freeze frames in DaVinci Resolve.
Freezing frames is a useful technique that allows you to create stunning effects, such as slow motion, transitions, or highlighting important moments in your video.
DaVinci Resolve is a powerful video editing software that offers many features and tools for professional and creative projects. You can use it to edit and finish up to 60 FPS in resolutions as high as Ultra. You can also use it for color grading, visual effects, audio, post-production, and more. There are two methods to freeze frames in DaVinci Resolve.
The first method is using the Change Clip Speed option.
The second method is using the Fusion tab and saving the image. I will show you both methods and explain the pros and cons of each one.
Let's start with the first method.
Let's say we want to freeze this part of the video. Let me zoom in so we can see more clearly. Now what you have to do is split the footage. For that, press Ctrl+B and also split the footage after a few more frames. To move few more frames forward in timeline, you can press the right arrow key. Now let's say we want this particular frame to be frozen. In order to do that, click on your mouse button and select the option Change Clip Speed. Now you have to select Freeze Frame option here and press Change.
Now, as you can see, the part of the clip after the marker in the timeline is frozen.
You can adjust the duration of the frozen clip by dragging the edges. This is the first method to freeze frames in DaVinci Resolve. It is simple and quick, but it has some limitations. That's why I prefer the second method, which is using the Fusion tab and saving the image.
For this method, you have to place your marker on where you want to freeze the frame and open the Fusion tab.
And right-click on the frame from Viewer and select the option Save Image. After selecting this option, you will get the option to save it in your computer. You can name it and use any format, like JPEG or PNG. I have already saved that image and added it here. Let me add the image to the timeline.
As you can see, this is the second method to freeze the frame.
It does the same work as the first method, but with more flexibility and control. You can change the duration, position, and size of the frozen frame easily. You can also apply any effects or transitions to the frozen frame.
One thing you also have to do if you're using the second method is to reduce the volume to 0.
So I will split the audio where our freeze frame begins and ends and reduce it all the way down.
As you can see, our freeze frame is ready. You can use this technique to create amazing videos with DaVinci Resolve. As we wrap up, remember to hit the like button if you found this tutorial helpful. Subscribe for more insightful content and don't hesitate to share your thoughts in the comments below.
Stay tuned for upcoming tutorials, and until next time, happy editing!